Myself Gouri AL. I am here to explain the topic on job design. Job design provides the information about the skills and competency to perform the job efficiently. It strives at the organizational tasks, objectives, responsibilities associated with the job to achieve the organizational as well as individual objectives. It is relatively a new term in HRM. It decides the content of job, align with the organizational goals, ensure job satisfaction for employees, take place after the recruitment to improve the performance and job satisfaction of existing employees. As a conclusion, I could say that it decides the content of the job and align with the organizational goals to ensure the job satisfaction for the employees. There are some factors affecting the job design: organizational factors, behavioral factors, and environmental factors. Organizational factors. Organizational factors are those which factors affect in the organization. First one is characteristics of task. A job may require the employee to perform variety of concerned tasks. Next is the workflow. Workflow is a product and a service type which determines the sequence of workflow. So the flow of that work in the organization could find the job design assertions. The ergonomics. It aims to design the job that is physical abilities and individual's abilities that taken into consideration. Then the work practices. It sets up methods to perform in an organization and need to consider carefully. And environmental factors. First one is employee availability and abilities. Employee skills, abilities, and availability is crucial in the designing a jobs. The designing more demanding job and above skill sets lead to the decreased productivity and employee satisfaction. Next is the socio-economic and cultural expectation. Due to the increase in literacy and knowledge, the employees are now aware and only perform jobs that are to their likely and they match to their profile. Then next is the behavioral factor. First one is autonomy. The employee should be given autonomy to perform the task within the work. They have to give the freedom to work in a shift or work flexibility towards the organization. So the absence of autonomy leads to poor performance as a part of employees. Then feedback. The employee should be given in a proper feedback about his performance, and this will able to improve their performance and complete the job in a proper manner. Then diversity. The repetitive jobs can be seen in every work in the organization. It is monotonous and leads to the breakdown or boredom to a job that carry the sufficient diversity. That is interesting with every passing day. So the variety of the jobs should be included in the organization so that the employees can work easily. Then use of skills and abilities. The job should be designed with a manner such that employee will be encouraged to do that job and fully and perform the job efficiently. Then there are some methods for which they are designing a job. First one is job simplification. In this technique, the job is simplified as the group is divided into some small subparts and each part assigned to some individual employee. So it is introduced when the job designs feel that jobs are not specialized. Then job rotation. It implies the movement of enough employees from one job to other, so that the employees will shift from one job to other, so that with this time they give an opportunity to perform well and enrich their skills. Then job enlargement. Job enlargement means assigning those works to additional in the same level activities. It changes the jobs to include more work-life balance and different tasks. Adding more tasks or duties to job offers not even the new skills, abilities are needed. So there is an horizontal expansion in the organization. Then job enrichment. It is the improvisation of the task efficiency and human satisfaction to build upon the people jobs and greater scope for the personal achievement and recognition. There are more responsible work, more opportunity for individual advancement and growth. The employee does more planning and controlling with less supervision and lay more self-evaluation. That's all. Thank you.